In this video, we are featuring the new housing development in Jamaica, which is a gated community, taking a tour of the recreation center with swimming pool and fitness gym. So today I'll be taking a tour of the new recreation center, which you can see with spacious parking space and beautiful scene, lawn, in the process of planting grass. So we will be taking a tour around to the front of the recreation center. First, you will have our swimming pool, which is very different towards most community in Jamaica. So this is our swimming pool at the recreation center, and we also have a fitness gym and other facility in the compound. So this is a brand new development. This recreation center hasn't open as yet. So as you can see, the planting of the lawn, the new swimming pool, everything here is brand new building, brand new location, spacey car park, decent looking building. These doors are closed, but I guess we can take a look through the glass and see what's taking place inside. So these are our lawn bed, our lawn chairs, whatever it may be. This is our fitness gym, equipment ready to work and get you going. So this is a quick tour of the recreation center. Our community center. Don't know what's in it they will give it, but it's the same for the same. So this is a brand new building. Haven't opened to the public as yet, to the community as yet, because this is a new phase of the new housing development. I don't know if this is the third phase or the fourth phase. I don't know much, but all I know, this is a new one. There's a lot going on here. Lots of house for everyone. Spacey house right around gated community. So this is the next phase of the houses. We can see they repaving the road. This road will be paved anytime now. Mall and ready to do the pavement. So lots of house. House for me, house for you, house for everyone. And this location is in the Falmouth, Trelawney, Jamaica, the North Coast region of Jamaica. So we're just taking a brief tour of these. These houses are finished now. You have some that's not finished. These houses are finished. They're just working on the road. So we have a beautiful stone wall on the side. So there's a lot of effort and time and money spent in this community. houses. These houses haven't occupiers yet. And when this is a view now, looking way over, you can see the Caribbean Sea. So there's a good view where you can look straight across to the ocean. Road, properly mall, ready to asphalt. So this is the new development. One of the new development in Jamaica, because there's a lot of activity going all around the island. But this is the North Coast region, and this is a gated community. So we take in basically a tour of these houses, showing you around different views, different angles. We'll be giving you a view of a different section. There's a lot of houses, many houses. See? Look over there, that's houses. All you can see is houses. So those houses that we are seeing now, not really a clear view, but it's a lot. Those houses most of those houses are occupied already. Most of them, not all of them. And these are new ones, so it's a lot of houses, house for everyone. From time to time, people ask me what's the price for these houses. I don't know much, but you can contact the housing development and get accurate information. So as you can see, lots of houses, tons of houses, many houses. This is our next view. Look at the house. The bird eye views. All you can see is houses and the ocean and hills. So this is a brand new gated community with different phase 1, phase 2. Nice and spacey gated community. I love the gym and I love the swimming pool. The scene of the swimming pool and the gym. The recreation center. Recreation centers looking decent. It's not open as yet, but it will be soon. So from time to time people ask me what amount of houses at this place, and I say, well, it's a lot. So now you can take a view and see that it's really a lot. If you think this video was interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will try to answer as much questions as I can. House and ocean. Bear in mind the house is far away from the ocean. It's because this is like an hill view, so everything look close by. So until then, see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching.